Have you ever wondered what the future of digital marketing looks like? Let's dive in. As technology continues to rise, digital marketing is evolving right along with it. Enter augmented reality, an innovative tool that's redefining the way businesses interact with their customers. By superimposing computer-generated images onto our real world, augmented reality creates engaging, interactive experiences that not only drive customer engagement, but also boost brand loyalty and sales. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, augmented reality is the next big thing. To illustrate the effectiveness of augmented reality, consider this real-world example. A well-known fashion brand decided to take a leap into the future with their digital marketing campaign. They incorporated augmented reality to let customers virtually try on their clothes before buying. This wasn't just a novelty, it was a game changer. The campaign generated an unprecedented level of engagement, with customers spending double the usual time browsing and interacting with the brand's offerings. But the magic didn't stop there. This immersive shopping experience translated into tangible results. The brand saw a significant increase in sales, with a sizable uptick in repeat purchases, a clear indication of enhanced brand loyalty. What's more, this innovative approach set the brand apart from its competition, allowing it to carve out a unique space in the crowded fashion market. It's a testament to how augmented reality can create a memorable experience for customers. This case study serves as a compelling testament to the power of augmented reality in digital marketing. So, are you ready to unlock success in your digital marketing campaigns? Embracing reality can take your campaigns to new heights. Imagine creating immersive experiences that not only captivate your customers, but also foster brand loyalty and boost sales. With augmented reality, you can provide your audience with unique interactive experiences that truly set your brand apart. The potential is immense. Embrace augmented reality today and unlock the future of digital marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for Wellcoin Financial for more insightful digital marketing content.